This is a friendly reminder to always check your camera settings when you go karting and you record your own sessions. The other day I visited 2 tracks in a few hours time and I forgot to check my settings. I actually forgot that my Hypersmooth was off because I used my camera for an intro of another video, which means I lost the POV footage for about 4 sessions, but it's not too bad because I had my Insta360 as well, which had the smoothing enabled, so I still can make some videos of those sessions. But it sucks, you know, so never forget to check your settings before you hop into the kart. Anyway, so I use a GoPro 12 Black and the marketing footage is of course always a bit skewed. So let's have a look at how the shakiness is with Hypersmooth off as compared to Hypersmooth on. I will be using footage from my 2 sessions in GPR and from in-kart, and then I use some old footage from Goodwill karting with a banked curve, which has a really shaky underground, but you can barely notice it on the video. So let's have a look. Yeah, so as you can see, the ones without Hypersmooth are really shaky. You can feel every little bump in the track, even though it's a pretty much flat track. And then you have the banked curve, which in real life is very shaky. It does a number on your wrists, and yeah, you need to adjust your helmet sometimes because it's really shaky and you can barely notice it on the screen. So yeah, always check your settings. Oh yeah, and if you like this video, just maybe consider giving me a subscribe. I'm a starting channel and it helps a lot. So thank you guys.